So the new DJI Pilot app version 1.0.1 has a new feature in it for the Z30, and wanted to kind of get that out so that everybody's aware of it. It's right up here. It's a stabilization, right? And so if you turn it on, you have a vision stabilization off and on. One of the things that you need to know is if you do turn it off, that you'll want to go over into this middle one and hit the little aircraft icon. It puts it into free mode. Free mode meaning that the aircraft will yaw but the camera will stay in place. So it seems to be working pretty good. Go and give it a shot, see if it works well for you. I know we've been a lot of people have been asking for them to kind of work on the drift a little bit, and looks like they have been, and they've made some good progress. So anyway, by the way, no, this is not a advertisement for Whataburger, but they are the best hamburgers on the planet, and if you haven't had one, you just haven't lived. So anyway, with that, talk to you later. Bye.